Okay guys, this is a quick video. This is my second attempt to do a video on this T-Grip Barbell. The first time I did the video, I was unable to complete it because no standard collars would fit it. Okay, well, I found a problem with this T-Grip Barbell, and that is the collars. I have several 1-inch standard weight collars, but as you can see, the barbell itself looks like it's too small for a 1-inch collar. And like I said, I have several of them, and as you can see, I can slide it in and out, which means that the weight is not secure. So I went and ordered special collars that will fit this, and I just got it today, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. The reason I bought the T-Grip Barbell because I want to use it for my outdoor backyard patio gym, and I want to put concrete weight plates on it. I mean, it's for standard weight plates, and I specifically want concrete weight plates because they can withstand the elements, the snow and the rain, the sunshine. So this is the special collars. I bought that off of eBay. So they're used collars, they're not new collars. But it's what I need to be able to use this T-Grip Barbell. So let me get some weight plates. Should work. I'll just grab a couple just to show you what I plan to do with it. And it is raining right now. As you can see, my other concrete weight plates are wet, but it's why I bought the concrete weight plates. It's also why I constructed a bench out of concrete block. Even though I have another bench here underneath this cover, which I want to use. I'll pull this out real quick. And you see my accessory box back there, made out of plastic. It's protected my accessories back here. And you see that I supported my my bench here with concrete block. This is what I wanted this T-Grip Barbell for. Was to use it outside in the elements. And of course, I'll just put it in one of my two sheds. So let's see what I can do with this thing. The reason I wanted it because it's a multi-grip barbell. As you can see, I can do neutral grip hammer curls with it. I can also use it to do other standard barbell exercise with it, like presses. Shrugs. Deadlifts. And rows. Now this barbell is a light barbell, so its load capacity is only 150 pounds. So you're not going to put much weight on here. And I didn't want to put much weight on here. So as you can see, that's really not going to be too big of a concern using these concrete barbell weight plates. And it's starting to come down heavy now. You can see this is only 70 pounds I'm lifting now. But you can forget about using it for a bench press, because it's even though you can rack it, it's not ideal for bench pressing. Even though it is possible if you use the inside angle. Well, there you go, guys. It's really coming down heavy now, so I'm going to end this video. All in all, if you just want a light barbell for your backyard, just so you can work out while you're outside, it's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. It cost me $99, but it will allow me to do various different types of multi-grip exercises with a standard barbell. And it'll be great for my outdoor gym. So all in all, if you don't mind its limitations, and I don't mind its limitations, I would recommend buying it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.